Hi everyone, big warm welcome to my channel and to today's video. Today I thought I will do a video about my latest purchase. So I went to Louis Vuitton and I got some nice goodies. I got something small but cute. So if you're curious to know what I got, keep on watching. Also, like this video, leave me a comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you love luxury shopping vlogs, unboxings, outfit ideas and hauls. Before we start the video, I will leave you also my Instagram page, so you come there and say hello. I always take you with me when I'm going somewhere shopping. I also share my daily outfits. Would be great to see you over on my Instagram as well. And now I would say, let's start with the video. So as you can see, I went shopping and I wanted to share with you my latest purchase. This is something I was eyeing for quite a while. I was trying it already 2 times. And I have to say, sometimes it's very good to take time before you purchase something and don't rush. This is what I learned from my experience, shopping experience. So this is an item now I really wanted. I was looking for this kind of item, but it's very difficult and hard to find sometimes, which suits you. You will see now in a bit what I mean with that. And now I will show you what I have here in this cute bag. So this is the item. Let me know if you can guess what I got in the comment section down below. Here is the receipt, what I got. I will also share the price with you because I know that you always want to know also what's the price point. I love it so much. I'm so happy with this one. Such a cute wrapping. There's also a booklet inside. And here it is. I will quickly put this down. So this is the etui which it comes in. I think from now on you know what it is. I will also show you a close-up of this beautiful piece. And ta-da! How gorgeous is this sunglasses? It is so beautiful. It is stunning. I absolutely love it. I already saw this one in the summer last year and tried it on, and I really loved it. And I needed a pair of sunglasses, but with sunglasses, as you know, it's so difficult to find sometimes a sunglass which suits your face, the shape of your face. And I have to say, I don't have many sunglasses because it's so difficult to find sometimes a nice sunglasses which suits you perfectly. And this one is really amazing. I will try it on so you can see how it looks. What I absolutely love about this sunglass is it is black and the gold details here on the side. I absolutely love it with the V here. It is very low-key but luxury. It is a statement piece. It's like an accessoire even when I'm just wearing a shirt and my jeans and sneakers, and then this chic stylish sunglasses. It is such an eye-catchy piece. I absolutely love it and it fits perfectly. I absolutely love my new sunglasses and I can't wait to wear it. I will wear it now every day. I'm very happy with my purchase. I also tried another pair of sunglasses which I liked, but I went then for this one because I think this is absolutely gorgeous with the gold detail, and something like that I don't have in my collection. So I think it is always good to have something in your collection you don't have. I will also share with you here the details if you want to have a look online. You can find this sunglass also online. What I also absolutely love is this cute detail here on the side, if you can see it. Let's focus. It is so cute with the LV sign. So gorgeous. Such a cute detail on the sunglass. I absolutely adore it. I love it. And it goes like, it's a nice shade of the sun of the glasses here, because it's on the top it's dark, and when it goes down it's a little lighter. I absolutely love it. It is so gorgeous. I love it. I'm so happy with my purchase. And let me know, what do you guys think about this sunglass? Do you have some Louis Vuitton sunglasses? I have to say, this is my first Louis Vuitton sunglass, and yeah, very happy with this purchase. So now I will tell you, of course, the price, what I paid in the store. I will link this sunglasses also down below in the description box, so you can go online and check it out and see also the other styles of the sunglasses. I saw also on the website there's a similar one, but also with some stones on the side. So just go and have a look if you like. Now here I will show you my receipt, what I paid. It was 380 euro. So this is what I paid in the store. My SA was also so sweet and gave me some samples of their perfume. I will show you now what I got as a sample. So she gave me quite few, very generous, and this is very kind. So this one is the Ombre Nomade. Ombre Nomade is unisex perfume, so it's for both men and women. It is a very intense perfume. It is very heavy, so if you like heavy oud perfumes, this is the one to go, the Ombre Nomade. It is really nice, especially also for the winter time and when you wear it on your cashmere sweater. I absolutely love this one. In general, I love more heavy perfumes. Then another perfume she gave me. So the other one she gave me, she told me they just released it 2 weeks ago. It's Les Sables Roses. I will show you here. This one is also absolutely gorgeous scent. This one is a beautiful scent, also more stronger scent. Also there's oud inside, rose inside, what I absolutely love. Oud and rose is my absolutely favorite combination, and I wanted already to buy a fragrance and I'm happy I didn't. That's why I say sometimes it's good you wait a little bit, because now she gave me this one and I absolutely love this one as well. So I will try this now and see how I feel with it, and then I will decide which one I take, because with perfumes you have to smell it on your skin, and the scent really exposes after 30 minutes on your skin, and then you can tell if the scent and if the fragrance suit to you. Just like one spray and smell it and then buy it, this is not working. So I always try perfumes on my skin first and then I buy. So this one, the Sables Roses, is also a favorite now of mine, and I will try this, use it, finish it, and then I will decide for which I'm going. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed my luxury unboxing Louis Vuitton video. Leave me a comment down below, like this video, subscribe to my channel and be part of the fashion world here. I hope to see you in my next video next week. Have a wonderful rest of your week. Ciao!